episode, Dekla will face the cruelest kind of true and arrive too late. Her sister, the person she mourned for years, may still be alive, and this revelation she will shake her soul. But the pain will not to stop there. The real wound will come from knowing the dead person around her. Nothing, something that still allowed to suffer. Dekla will feel as if entire past has been rewritten without her permission. Erkan will stand before her with a regret, but regret may be not to help it was had broken. He will want to be a hold her hand to explain to forgiveness, but Dekla may not to allow him that coldness to closeness. She will tell him that love without honesty become another from battle. This line between them will become too sharper ever. Erkan will realize that winning Dekla heart once was easier than winning to back her trust now. Kadir will make to an accepted to spot in Dekla life he did not want to Erkan could not to do. He told true, but this will create to more problems. Erkan will not to only feel guilty, he will feel to jealousy. He will see to Dekla speaking to Kadir, asking him question, trusting his word, and will to burn from the inside forever. The episode will make another clear. Dekla is not a prize to won, she is a won to searching from her family and true and herself inside the Aldur family. Hamidi death will open new chapter of tension. Grief will expose everyone to real face. Someone will cry and some will blame and some will the sadness to hide our own fear. He said next move become to be a dangerous because he will act from pain and wisdom. And she will face the situation where she no longer to control the damage she created. Furman will move to a shadow in background. She will not to shout his silence for fascinated after learning the Daria survival is possible. He will become more determined to control true. Sivan will become his enemy and Nilufar may become the weak point. He tried to explore their love, enter difficult test where wrong step can destroy everything. Farrell, meanwhile, when clear to continuously her journey with Tahir, she will move closer to person who can answer the biggest question of life. Who is really? The next episode will bring too many characters to the ages. Dekla will search for sister, Erkan will search for forgiveness, and Furman will search for revenge. Revenge, but only one thing is certain: after this true, no one can return the old file to old life.